Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the Thursday the 31st of January. And today is a good example of, when you have software problems, you should just not trade. It's probably a good example of that. But anyway, the market's opened up in line here. Did buy up pretty strongly and then began very choppily selling off. And we took two trades. None of them were successful for a loss of 8 points on the day. Our first trade we grabbed over here, a long, and that, obviously we got stopped out of that one. And we got long over here, and we ended up getting stopped out of that one as well. After that, I just kind of watched the markets because, obviously losing two trades in a row, I think the market's doing one thing, but the market actually wants to do something else. And after you take, one loss, you should, re-scan the landscape. But two losses in a row, the market's definitely doing something, and I'm not on board with that. There's a difference between having a bias of the markets and controlling that bias, and the other side of the coin would be just watching the markets to see what they want to do. And that's what I always try to do, is try to see what the market wants to do and then trade it. And this day was just a day of choppiness, and I don't like losing two trades in a row, especially in the trading room that I moderate. Two trades in a row, it's not hard to come back from something like that. Now, if you were just to start revenge trading, those 8 points could really turn into like 20-30 points pretty quickly. But taking the rules that we do, we don't want to, if we don't know what the market's doing, especially me, if I don't know what the market's doing, I don't really want to trade. And today was one of those days. It's just, made some trades that were not in par with the market. And at the time, it looked like it. That's what it wanted to do, but that's not what it actually did. And sometimes the market does have a poker face, and it is what it is. But hopefully you learn something from it, and that's what I do. Every day I try to learn something. So, and with that, everybody have a great day, and of course you can leave any comments under the video if you want. And I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.